It was a lovely sunny day at Silverhatch. A great day for racing, but not such a great day for crashing.
Are you okay, Tin Top?
Yeah, sure. I'm fine, thanks, Roary. I've had worse.
I'm not sure Big Chris will see it like that.
I think you got a point there.
Come on, let's get you fixed up.
What have you done now? Look at the state of you. If you were more careful on the track, you wouldn't need to be patched up every 5 minutes.
Sorry, Big Chris.
I didn't mean That's it. No more crashes today. Please, take it easy and slow down on those bends.
Okay, Big Chris. I promise I'll be careful. But being careful doesn't sound like much fun.
What a mess. Oh, I know, FB. But we'll have this cleared up in no time. You make a start while I fetch my brush to sweep up.
OK, Farmer Green. Tidying up is so boring. That looks like fun. I'd much rather be playing with Roary, Maxie and Tin Top instead. I know. If I tidy up in double quick time, maybe I'll be able to play too.
FB, are you all right? What have you done? Oh, look at the state of you. Oh, dear. You were supposed to be tidying up, not making even more mess.
Sorry, Farmer Green.
Oh, come on, then. We'd better get you to Big Chris to get you fixed up.
Hi, Roary.
I wonder what's wrong with FB.
Eat my dust, Roary!
No way!
Wait for me! Wait for me! Oh, Big Chris said I had to go slow round the bends.
Ah, a lovely cup of Her Majesty's tea. That'll do me nicely.
Hello, Big Chris. Can you help? FB has had a bit of an accident.
Not you two. I've just finished sorting young Tin Top out. Oh, come on then, let's get you sorted.
Yes! I won! I won!
Well done, Maxie. Great race.
Not for me. I can't race properly if I have to be careful. That makes me slower.
Oh, sorry, Tin Top. Let's race again.
No thanks.
Poor Tin Top. FB didn't look very happy either. Come on, Maxie, let's go and cheer them up.
We were clearing up the yard, you see. Oh, right old state it was. But now it's even worse. I mean, car parts, hay bales, all over
I know
the
you
place.
feel, Jack.
Oh, what a state.
I get one car sorted out, then there's someone else in a scrape. I'm going round in circles. My time's not my own. You think we were doing a demolition derby out there on the track, not racing. It's all work, work, work. Where's my me time?
It's not our fault.
Yeah, all we want is to have a bit of fun.
Maybe you can.
Eh?
I think I know a way to cut Big Chris's workload, clear up the mess at the yard, and let Tin Top and FB have fun without any scrapes.
Hey, I like
That's a
it,
super idea, Roary.
Nice one, son.
What is it? What is it?
Go on, tell us.
It's a secret. OK, does everyone know what they need to do?
Yes!
Come on then, let's get motoring. Go, go, go!
Ow! Perfect. Thanks, Plugger.
No problem, Big Chris.
What are they for? Oh, I don't know, but it doesn't look good.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Big Chris, what are you doing?
If you bend it, you mend it. So that's just what I'm doing.
But these aren't my car panels.
Don't worry, FP. I've not forgotten about you. You're next.
Oh, could this day get any worse?
Help up at the farm.
That'll be to clean up the mess I made.
Come on then, you two. Let's go and lend a hand. It's the least you can do after all that trouble you caused.
Oh, what's happened to all the mess? It's all tidy. I thought we were coming to clear it up.
We don't want you to tidy up.
What? You don't? No, we want you to make a mess.
And go as fast as you possibly can.
You do?
Time for your Demolition Derby.
I love it! I love it! I love it! But I thought we had to be more careful, Big Chris.
Not with those false panels and rubber bumpers, you don't. I've made sure you can't harm yourself or anyone else. But more importantly, I won't have to fix any dents either.
Brilliant!
Wow. Also, well, what are you waiting for? Start demolishing.
Steady on, FB.
Top, that's the best!
This is brilliant!
Demolition Derby races are the best, with no bumps or scrapes to worry about. Too right.
This is... I want to turn.
Me too. Can you turn us into Demolition Derby cars too, Big Chris?
Oh no, what have I gone and done? I've given myself even more work.
As the lights went down at Silverhatch, it looked like it had been a good day for crashing after all. Safely, of course. Big Chris was busy preparing Silverhatch for the Silverhatch Fun Run, where everyone except the cars could race.
Oh, hello, Big Chris speaking.
I want to be in a little later, Big Chris. I'm training for the big race, so I'm relying on you to get everything ready. The Silverhatch Fun Run has to be perfecto. Don't forget the bunting.
Oh yes, Mr. Carburettor, sir. Everything will be ready, don't fret.
I can't wait for the fun run. You are entering, aren't you, Big Chris?
Me? Race? Oh, well, I don't know about that, Roary. I don't like all that running around and exercise stuff. Besides, I've never really been one for sports. I know you find it hard to believe, but, you know, I'd much rather watch a race any day than race in it. Anyway, you should be out practicing. Go on, son. Off you go.
Oh, I really want Big Chris to join the race and maybe even win it.
I know, I do too. But once Big Chris has made his mind up, he doesn't change it.
We'll see about that. See you later, Plugger.
Roary.
Hi, Malcolm. Are you okay?
I'm in training for the fun run. Oh, I love
fun runs.
Me too. How do you train for the fun run?
I do lots of exercises, like these. These are called sit-ups. I could usually do 100 of these. Oh, that's enough for now.
Thanks, Malcolm. You've given me an idea. We have to get Big Chris to do those exercises without realising. OK?
I'll do my best.
What? Where's my spanner gone? Plugger, Roary, one of you. Pass me my spanner quickly, hurry up.
Here you go, Big Chris.
Plugger, what do you think you're doing? Hold still. The quicker this is done, the quicker I can get to lunch. All right? Lunch. Pizza. Pizza for lunch today.
Well done, Plugger. See if you can get Big Chris to do some more. Time for me to exercise too.
Thanks for fruit and vegetables, Farmer Green.
No problem, Flash. Hope you enjoy them.
Flash, you dropped these.
Oh, thanks, Roary.
What do you need all those fruit and vegetables for?
For the fun run, of course. I need to make sure I'm in tip-top condition for the race. So that means eating all the right kinds of food. Like lots of fruit and vegetables. They make me run extra fast.
Wow. Well, in that case, could you help me make something special for Big Chris, please?
No problem. There you go, Roary.
Thanks, Flash. See you.
Pizza delivery for Big Chris.
I'll take care of that. Lunch, Big Chris.
Ah, lunch. Smashing, I'm starving and all. Vegetarian with ham. Oh, come to Daddy. Hey, what's this? Where's my pizza?
Sorry, Big Chris. They've run out of pizzas today, so they've sent you some lovely, healthy salad instead.
You mean they've run out of pizzas and they've sent me some rabbit food? Hey, yeah, not so bad this, you know. It's quite tasty. Not bad, it's not bad at all.
Do you think the exercises and healthy food will help Big Chris win the race, Roary? I hope so. I'm going to make sure he's as fit as he can be. Maybe Marcia could give me some tips too. Are you okay, Marcia? Oh, what are you doing?
This is yoga. I do my yoga exercises every day, and they keep me flexible and make sure my muscles are working properly.
Wow, do you have some more yoga you could show me?
Yes. Watch this. There. What do you think, Roary? Roary?
I think the bunting needs to go a little bit higher, Big Chris.
You think it needs to go higher? Can't quite reach.
Maybe if you stand on one leg to reach Big Chris and stretch your arms up over your head.
Yeah, all right. It's easy as that, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, it's in here.
What did you say this was called, Roary?
Yoga. Big Chris needs to practice his laps next.
Done it. Oh. Hey, Roary! What are you playing at? Stop! Come back! Give over! Roary!
Oh, wow!
Come back.
Bigger Chris, you can really run!
This is perfect training for the fun run.
What are you doing? What's got into you, boy? Come back! Give over!
Oh, thank you, everyone. Now that Big Chris has done his exercises and yoga moves, had some healthy food and practiced his laps, there's nothing to stop him winning the fun run.
What? Fun run? Those words don't go together in my book, Roary.
Big Chris, I can explain.
Aye, and you will, lad. Is that what all those daft stunts are about? The spanner and reaching for the bunting?
Yes, sorry, Big Chris. I just really want to see you race.
Yeah, me too, Big Chris. We'd love to see you racing. Well, why didn't you just say that?
You mean you'll race in the fun run?
Aye, why not? After all, I do feel quite sprightly today, after all those exercises.
Good luck, Big Chris.
Welcome to the Silver Hatch Fun Run, folks. The race will be starting very shortly.
Make your mama proud, Tony.
Sissy, yes, Mama.
Oh, no. It looks like Mr. Carburettor has been training hard for the race too. Come on, Big Chris!
Big Chrissy, I thought your idea of exercise was lifting donuts.
Okay, take your places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go! Go on, Tony, my boy!
Come on, Big Chris, you can do it!
What? Big Chris, he is running past everybody. Oh, he is like a rocket today. What? Big Chris? Big
This is easy. Big Chris? What?
Oh, and now Big Chris, he crossed the line. Big Chris is the winner of the Silver Hatch Fun Run.
You did it, Big Chris! All that training was worth it.
Thank Roary. I still can't believe you guys did all that just so that I would race.
You didn't just race, Big Chris.
Oh.
You won! I'm sorry we tricked you into training.
Oh, don't worry about it. That was the best race ever. I feel 20 years younger. I feel fantastic.
Big Chris found out that exercise comes in all shapes and forms, and winning his first race was the best feeling ever. It was a hot summer's day at Silver Hatch Racetrack. A little too hot for some.
It is roasting. This heat doesn't half make me sweaty. Oh, mustn't forget to fill my water bottle. I'm going to need it today. Look at that! Look at that! So hot! The icing on my donuts melted. I'll soon sort that out.
The Carrot Cruiser is almost ready. I just need an exhaust pipe, a wing mirror, and some sunglasses for my super cool helmet. Flash, got a dash?
Wish you had some air conditioning, Rusty lad.
You should do what I do when it's hot. Take it easy.
Hey, never mind heat wave. That's a brain wave. I'm getting changed. Get me shorts on.
I wish we could have sunshine like this every day.
Morning all. It's time for Flash's breakfast. Carrot omelette.
What? Hey, now will you take a look at that? I always said I was a hot shot. Oi, Flash, off it. Only polished him yesterday. Now, as you can see, not a cloud in the sky. It's too hot to race today. Who'd like to go to the beach instead? Eh?
Hooray!
No?
Hooray, yeah!
Okay.
Brilliant, yeah!
What's up, Roary? Am I keeping you awake?
Oh, I couldn't sleep last night. I was too
Tell
hot
me
and
about
sticky.
it. Well, maybe you can have a nice little nap on the beach this afternoon.
Last one there is a rusty drag.
No rushing off, Maxie. It's too hot, it's cracking the flags. I want you to take it easy and drink plenty of water.
Whatever.
I love the beach. You never know what you might find.
Hey! All you guys are here. Ripper! Race you to my shed.
Hey, Freeze! Not too fast, mine. You're gonna... I need a sit down and a nice drink. Right. That bit goes here. Hold on, that. Does this go underneath this thing? You think I'd know after all these years? Now, come on, Christopher. You can strip an engine. You can put up a deck chair.
Let's go! I won!
Congratulations, Cece. Oh, but you look flushed. All hot and pink.
Oh, am I?
Look at yourself in this mirror and you'll see. I'll just unscrew it.
Oi! Cece!
Uh-oh. Flush, moustache.
You need a big drink after all that racing.
Thank you, Big Chris.
Oh, I'll just have to try again later.
Or sand. Sand.
Oh, dear. Have you got sand in your eyes? Let's take off these sunglasses and have a look.
It's not in my eyes. It's in my engine. Big Chris, my pistons.
It's all right, Maxie. I'm on my way.
It's over. It's a disaster.
You can say that again. Thirsty work, this. Flash got a dash.
Let's have a look. Oh, sand in your spark plugs, that's all. You'll soon be purring like a panther. Go on, give me some revs. Don't forget, just keep yourself topped up. Well, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll get a minute to myself.
Oh, thanks, Big Chris.
Oh. Ow.
That sounds like Roary.
That Rory always makes a fuss over nothing.
Ah, poor Rory. I know how to make you more comfortable. Let's loosen your exhaust pipe a little bit.
What is it, Roary?
I'm trying to have a snooze, but the sand's too hot. It's burning my tyres.
Look at the Carburettor.
You rest your rubber on this nice, cool seaweed. Have a swig of this water before you nap. There's a good lad. Oh, I wish it were me.
Oh, that feels so cool. Thanks, Big Chris.
And this will keep the sun off your head.
Big Chris, come quick! Big Chris, check out Drifter's screen. His circuits are scrambled.
Your computer system's overheating. I know how it feels.
I wanted parts for my Carrot Cruiser. All I've got is sore feet and a raging thirst. Crunch my carrots! Ah, if I'm dreaming, do not disturb.
You've got it made in the shade, Drifter. Feeling better now?
Much better, thank you.
Good. Now can I please sit down and have a drink?
I'm trying to sleep. Can't you go and crash somewhere else?
Oh, for goodness sake, Tin Top. Oh.
Uh-oh, it's empty. Flash, moustache.
Yeah. We'll sort out this dent at the workshop. You finish this while I have a nice long drink of my own. Oh, I've been waiting for this all day. Where's my water? I could have sworn I filled it up this morning. Oh, no. I'll have to wait till I get back to Silver Hatch. Oh, my mouth's like sandpaper.
You should have drunk your water like us calves, Big Chris.
It was too hot to work, now it's too hot to sleep. What are you doing up, Roary? Are you having the same problem?
I've had an idea. There's one place that will be cool enough to sleep in.
Eh?
Come with me.
Why? Where are we going?
Hang on. Lighter! looking for a nice, cool place to have a good night's sleep.
Excuse me? Do I barge into your workshop without being invited?
Yes.
And you did drink all of Big Chris's water today, so it's only fair to let him stay.
I might have known that was you.
Sorry, Big Chris.
Hey, what's this thing? What's all this?
The Carrot Cruiser. I'll be the fastest rabbit on two wheels.
Not bad, that. Nice little machine. But it needs something. A wing mirror, an exhaust pipe, and let's see, I know, a snazzy helmet to go with it, with some lovely wraparound sunglasses like Bono's.
I know.
And I've got plenty of scrap parts. You can come and help yourself.
You mean I went to all that trouble?
Can I hop on?
Be my guest.
Hey, it's quite comfy, is that?
My Carrot Cruiser.
So Roary and Big Chris settled down to their coolest night's sleep in ages.
I suppose you'll want breakfast in the morning?
Omelette, please, Flash. But go easy on the carrots.
Everyone was working hard to get Silver Hatch ready for a very special ceremony. The statue of Mr. Carburettor is going to be unveiled that afternoon. But where was it?
Oh, come on, Big Chris. Where are you?
Oh, I found another one, Big Chris. That's another.
There's holes everywhere, so take it nice and steady, FB. It's a bumpy road, this.
This is too tricky. We're going to drop Mr. Carburettor.
Don't drop the boss. Now, come on, FB. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. Concentrate. Just focus on the job at hand.
Big Chris is right. Take it nice
Steady now,
and
steady.
easy.
Okay, Plugger. Nice and easy.
Yes, Mr. Carburettor. Extremely fragile and precious, you say. I'm sure they're being very careful. I'll see you soon. Bye. No! Top, careful!
Sorry, Master.
We're back.
Oh, at last! What took you so long?
Sorry, Marcia. The road was really bumpy.
We have to be really careful and take it really slowly.
OK, Plugger. Lift it up.
Nice and
Steady now.
easy.
That didn't sound good.
Please let it be okay.
Oh, that does not look good.
What's Mr. Carburettor going to say?
He's going to be boiling like a kettle when he sees this.
Oh, man. This is all my fault. I'm so clumsy.
That's actually true, Tin Top.
Mr. Carburettor's never gonna forgive me for this. He's gonna send me to the scrap heap. I just know he is.
Can't you mend it, Big Chris?
Me? I'm a mechanic, son, not a sculptor.
Who was it who said we can do anything if we put our minds to it?
You know what, Rory? It was me. All right, then. Let's see what we can do with this statue.
Don't worry, Tintop. Big Chris is going to mend it.
Oh, I hope he is. I hope he is.
Marcia, you're going to have to keep Mr. Carburettor occupied while we fix this statue.
What? How am I going to do that?
I don't know, love, but you're going to have to think of something.
Oh, dear. That's Helly bringing Mr. Carburettor.
Hi, Marcia.
Hello. I'm here from Speedy Wheels magazine to cover the unveiling of the statue ceremony.
Oh, well, great. Well, the thing is, you'll be, wanting a tour of the track first, then?
Sounds good to me.
What about my statue?
Oh, well, there's plenty of time for that. What about some action shots, Mr. Carburettor, eh?
Yes.
No, let me look at it. We're gonna need cement and an artist's delicate touch. Right, let me just weigh the job up here. Pass me that box, please, Roary lad.
Are you all right, artist's tools in here, Big Chris.
No, it's me donuts. They help me concentrate.
That's great. Now a big smile, please.
Big smile, here he comes. Formaggio.
Shall we go and see the rally track next?
Careful. Watch you don't get stuck in the cement, Roary. It's quick drying.
I wish you'd told me earlier.
Oh, Roary. Malcolm, I've got a little job for you.
Now be sure to get my best side. Oh!
Carburettor corner, anyone?
There you go. How's Roary coming on, Malcolm?
Not long now, Big Chris.
Okay, it's all clear.
Oh, Mr. Carburettor! Tin Top, are you all right?
Oh, I'm fine, Marsha. I'm fine. I'll be seeing you. Sorry, Mr. Carburettor.
Isn't it about time for the ceremony?
Not until I've shown you Ton Up Tunnel.
Well, fellas, what do you think? Eh?
It's, different.
Yeah, well, different is good. Different is good. It's going to have to do and all. The ceremony is due to start soon.
Plugger!
And, of course, the interesting thing about this tunnel is, it's,
Extremely long.
Thank you, yeah. That was most, interesting.
Now we go!
But you haven't seen Dinky the Donkey yet!
Whoa! What happened to Mr. Carburettor's nose? Ladies, gentlemen, and racing cars.
Hello?
Oh, yes, and, moles. This beautiful statue of me is more than a generous gift. It means that I will always be at the place I love. You see, my heart belongs here with all of my friends at Silver Hatch, our home, where I will always watch over you.
Do you think anyone's noticed, Big Chris?
I'm afraid so, Roary. My stat! You!
Oh, Mr. Carburettor? Sir, I've got something to tell you.
Incredible! That is incredible. It's a modern masterpiece. Sensational. And here's me thinking this would be a simple likeness. It's unique. One of a kind.
Just like you, Mr. Carburettor, sir.
You think so? Yes, yes. How right you are, Big Chris. It's a perfectly me. Okay, now a nice photo of everybody together.
I don't know we got away with that one, Roary. I'll stick to mending cars in future.
I'm with you, Big Chris.
So as the day's adventures came to an end, the celebrations were just about to begin. Say cheese, Silver Hatch.
Cheese!
It was a beautiful day at Silverhatch. Roary and Maxie were arguing about who was the fastest. Again.
You slow coach. I am the fastest.
I've beaten you loads of times, Maxie.
In your dreams, Roary.
Yes, I have. Like that time. I just have.
You two are always arguing about who is the fastest. It drives me up the ceiling. I'll settle this once and for all. There will be a big race. 3 laps around the track with pit stops.
Pit stops?
Whoever wins will be fastest, and that will be the end of it. No more arguing, okay?
Okay, right then. Time for a practice lap. Light 'em up.
Gosh, it's time for a practice lap. Light 'em up.
Hey guys, what are you up to?
We're going to have a very important race. Now please get out of the way, Flash. The track is for race cars, not rabbits.
I might not be a race car, Maxie, but I can still get past you.
Wow, Flash! That is brilliant!
Silly rabbit. Mr. Carburettor says Roary and I have got to have a big race to show I'm fastest.
You hope. We've got to have pit stops, so we need to choose pit teams.
This is fantastic. A race! Well, hey! Go on, Maxie. You pick first.
I choose Masha.
Masha?
Oh, yes. Thank you, Maxie.
Go on, Roary. You choose. You choose.
Well, then,
Me.
I'll
choose me. Go on, pick me. Pick me. Look at me.
Big Chris.
Get in there. Thanks, son. High five.
I also choose Malcolm.
Thanks,
Maxie. Well, there's no one left for my pit team now.
Somebody say pit team? Look no further.
But you are just a silly rabbit.
Leave Flash alone. You can be on my team if you want, Flash.
Flash? Are you sure about that?
I won't let you down, Roary, old pal. Honest.
Listen up, Team Roary. This is a long race with pit stops. So
Excuse
I don't
me,
want
Big Chris. What's a pit stop?
In long races, cars wear out the tyres and use all the fuel, so the pit crew has to give them new tyres and more fuel. But we have to do it as fast as we can, so Roary doesn't lose any time.
Oh, nobody's faster than Flash. Sorry.
Butterfingers.
All the tools are out of the box and sorted, so we could find them really quickly.
Great work, Malcolm. That'll make our pit stops even faster.
Out of the box, eh?
Flash, what are you doing?
Now we can find the tools quickly.
Oh, Flash.
Attenzione! Roary and Maxie to the starting line, please.
You're full of fuel and tuned to perfection. Off you go, son. Good luck. Come on, team. High five.
Pit teams, are you ready?
Ready!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Big Mr. Roary, you can do it, son. Light 'em up.
Yeah! High five.
Come on, Maxie. Great driving. Just keep focused. You're doing fine.
Go on, Roary. Floor it, son.
Looks like Roary and Maxie need fuel. They're coming in for the first pit stop.
OK, Flash. Quick, go and get the fuel pump ready, please.
Aye, aye, Big Chris.
Flash, where's the fuel? Oh, no, Flash!
Go, go, go!
Right, you're full. Go on, son. Pedal to the metal.
Roary's refueled, but he's a long way behind. It's a time for the next pit stop. The cars need new tyres. Roary can catch up with the Maxi if his team is fast enough.
Flash, you do the nuts. I'll do the wheels.
Nuts! No problem, Big Chris.
Stoppo fantastico! Roary has a quarter Maxi right up!
That was a good pit stop, Flash. Well done. High five.
Oh, it was nothing.
Hang on, what are these?
They're the wheel nuts. I didn't have time to put them all back on.
What? Wheel nuts? One of Roary's wheels could come off.
Roary takes the lead.
Big Chris to Roary. Are your wheels all right, son?
Brilliant, thanks, Big Chris. Whoa, no, wait.
Oh, no! Roary has lost the wheel.
Flash, look what you've done!
Oh, I'm sorry, Big Chris. I thought I was helping.
Roary, are you okay, son?
I think so, Big Chris.
As they come to the end of the race, it's a Maxi who's in the lead.
Oh, look at that! Maxi's got Roary pinned to the crash barrier. He can't get through. He's going to lose.
Crash barrier? Big Chris, I think I can help.
I think you've helped enough today, Flash.
No, really.
Hey.
Flash to Roary.
No. Oh!
Use the barrier, like I did with my skateboard earlier.
Barrier?
Like me, remember?
Oh, Flash, you'd better be right about this.
Is the winner!
We won! Roary won! We won! We won! We won! We won! We won! We won!
At least I got something right.
I'll say you did. Come here, little monkey.
Thanks, Flash.
Nice move, Pipsqueak. I guess that makes you the fastest for now.
Thanks, Maxi. I think.
That was the day Roary became the fastest racing car at Silverhatch, and Flash showed that good ideas can come from the most unexpected of places. Silverhatch was getting ready for the biggest evening race of the year. Big Chris had been working really hard to make sure the cars were in perfect condition.
Right, I've done my best. Now it's up to you lot to make me proud.
Big Chris, how many people will be coming to watch the race this evening?
Oh, it's a sellout, Roary, so I hope you put on a good show.
Helly, it's gone!
Thank you, Ellie. I'm in a good mood today. Record crowd, she comes my way.
And I love her.
Come on, Malcolm. Grab a few more safety cones. Wow! Oh, the cars look amazing, Big Chris.
Nice of you to say so, Marcia, love.
See, I agree, Marcia. I am expecting great things of you in the race, Bambinos. Okie dokie?
Yes, sir!
I'm in a good mood today. Record crowd, she
that's me
comes
done until
my
the race
way.
kicks off. Reckon I'll nip back to Rusty and smarten myself up a bit.
Big Chris, I think I need a few practice laps to get ready for the race.
I'm not having any of you doing anything to get you mucky or damaged. Understood?
I'm a bit nervous.
Never mind your nerves, Rory. No practice laps. Do you hear me?
No one ever listens.
Oh la la, Rory.
What is the matter? Unless I have a practice lap, I'm going to look silly in the race with thousands of people watching.
But you heard what Big Chris said, Rory.
We have to stay here and rest.
Good luck for the big race, you lot. You'll need it in front of all those people. Especially you, Roary Russ Bucket. If I was a learner racing car, I'd be out doing practice laps to warm up my engine. Flash! Moustache!
Flash is right. I need a practice lap to calm down.
Rory, at least ask Big Chris first.
Oh, all right.
Yes, I can do it.
Big Chris, please can I have a practice lap? Big Chris! Really nervous about the race and no one is helping me.
Yes, I can try. I'll see you later.
Maybe I can.
I don't need to say
Thanks, Big Chris!
My little partner, you seem to be feeling better.
I am, Tin Top. I'm starting to feel like I can put on a really good show for the crowds. But just to make sure, I'm going to have a practice lap. Did Big Chris say it was okay? Not exactly. He was a bit busy. But nothing will go wrong. Light him up! I'm going to be brilliant in the race. Big Chris will be proud of me.
Thank you, James. Oh, you will make a Silver Hatch proud. But where is Roary?
He just popped out for a moment.
Oh, no. I had better tell my Tony.
We'd better go and find Roary and get him back here before he gets into trouble. To happen.
Roary! You were meant to stay in the workshop until the race. I need to get Big Chris here pronto. Marsha calling Big Chris. Emergency. Come in, Big Chris.
Are you there, Big Chris?
Big Chris! Oh, come in, Big Chris. Oh, where is the lazy spanner? I better try Plugger. Marsha to Plugger.
Urgent assistance required.
No need to race. Plugger's on the case.
Oh, Plugger's on his way. Where's that coming?
Hey, you little buddy!
What is Mr. Carburettor going to say?
Mamma mia! I thought you said only Roary was missing. Huh?
Oh, well done, Plugger.
No problem, Marsha. Oh, my cars! The crowds are arriving. Where is Big Chris?
Not quite sure, Mr. Carburettor. He hasn't been answering his walkie-talkie.
Not been walkie.
There, Tony, canto, mamma. There. Oh,
Easy, mamma.
And goodbye! Yeah! Right, ready to race. Is something the matter?
Oh!
What happened?
It's all my fault, Big Chris. I didn't listen to you and went for a practice lap. And I crashed. And the others tried to get me out of trouble. And they crashed too.
Oh, Roary.
I'm really sorry. I only did it because I was so nervous.
It's all right, son. Next time, if I say no lap practice, I want you to do what you're told. You understand?
I will, Big Chris. I promise.
Can you mend the cars in time to race, Big Chris?
You must be joking. Oh, clearly you're not. No, I can't. I'm sorry, I haven't got the time.
The reputation of Silver Hatch is around the spout.
And no, it is not, my son. Maybe the cars can't race, but we can still put on a fantastic show for the crowd. We just need to use our other talents.
Hello, Silver Hatch. Have we got a show for you tonight? Put your handies together and welcome Big Chris and the All-Star Cars.
Yes, 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 I can do it.
Can do it.
Yes, 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 I can try.
He can try.
I'm the king potato. I'll see you later. It's all gonna be just fine. Whoa. Yes, 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 I can do it.
He can do it.
Yes, 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 I can try.
He can try.
I'll catch you later. I'll see you, alligator. We don't need to say goodbye. Yeah, 'cause I'm the king. I can do anything that I choose. I'll see you later. I'm the king potato. It's all gonna work out fine. No, I'll catch you later. See you, alligator. We don't need to say
And so ended another day of thrills and spills at Silver Hatch Racetrack.